In this video, I'll show you the best free resume builder websites you can use right now. Our first and main website is Canva. If you want modern, professional, and visually impressive resumes, Canva is probably the best option right now. The biggest reason people love Canva is the huge collection of templates. You'll find minimal resumes, corporate resumes, creative resumes, student resumes, designer portfolios, modern layouts, industry-specific resume templates. And honestly, most of them look far better than traditional resumes. First, open Canva in your browser. Once you're logged in, click on the Templates option on the left side. In the search bar, type Resume. Now Canva will show hundreds of templates. Choose a template according to your needs. For example, simple templates for corporate jobs, modern templates for startups, creative templates for designers, minimal templates for freshers. My recommendation: don't choose overly colorful templates unless you're applying for creative jobs. Simple and clean designs usually work best. Customize resume. Now click on the text and replace everything with your own information. Add name, phone number, email, skills, education, experience, certifications, projects. You can also change fonts, adjust spacing, add icons, change colors, move sections easily. Everything works with simple drag and drop. After editing, click Share and then Download. Select PDF Standard or PDF Print. And your resume is ready. Simple. If you see this premium icon on a resume template, it means it's a premium template and you need Canva Pro to use it. But honestly, the free version is already enough for most users. You can still create amazing resumes without spending money. Now here's something very important. Not every Canva template is ATS-friendly. ATS stands for Applicant Tracking System. Many companies use ATS software to scan resumes automatically, and highly designed resumes can sometimes confuse these systems. So if you're applying for corporate jobs, government jobs, MNCs, online job portals, then simple resumes usually perform better. And this is where the next resume builder websites become useful. Google Docs. Google Docs offers simple and clean resume templates that work really well with ATS systems. And the best part, it's completely free. Open Google Docs. Click Template Gallery. Under the Resume section, choose the template you want. Replace the sample text. Download as PDF. Done. Why Google Docs is good? Google Docs resumes are lightweight, ATS-friendly, professional, easy to edit, great for freshers. If your priority is job applications instead of fancy designs, this is a great option. MS Word for Web. This is another excellent option for ATS-friendly resumes. A lot of professionals still use Microsoft Word because companies are already familiar with this format. Use the link in the description to directly open the MS Word resume templates page. Click View All Templates. Choose a template. Edit your information. Save as PDF. Very easy. Why Word templates are good? Word templates are professional, traditional, ATS-friendly, easy to customize, widely accepted, especially for office jobs and corporate applications. Now the big question: which website should you actually use? Use Canva if you want modern and visually impressive resumes. Use Google Docs if you want a completely free ATS-friendly resume. Use Microsoft Word if you want traditional professional resumes for office jobs. So these were some of the best free resume builder websites you can use right now. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which resume style do you prefer, modern or ATS friendly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.